Hello everyone, you are all welcome to lecture number 1372, and today's topic is very common type, that is management of uric acid through diet, and that is very important to understand the type of diet. And today I am going to clear a lot of myth about the uric acid and how dangerous uric acid is. First thing is that uric acid is formed by the breakdown of the purine, and that's why we have to be very careful to identify which diet or which food, either meat or vegetable, plant origin, they are rich in purine or not. And the myth is that most of the people, they have this impression that meat organ, red meat, and mainly meat products, they are purine rich food. Is wrong concept. There are a lot of fruit and vegetables, they are equally rich in purine, and we are not careful. And at the same time, we are taking lot of processed food, bakery product, and sweetery drinks like sugar. And also, one very important factor is people have this impression that once we are taking lot of fruit like mango, banana, non-citrus fruit, we are safe. No, these fruits like banana, like mango, like date, so many others, they are rich source of purine. So if you are taking in excess, definitely you are going to increase the quantity of uric acid in your body, and you will suffer from that is called hyperuricemia. And once uric acid is high in your body, in your blood, in your system, digestive system, you have lot of health issue. First, gout. Gout means the serious deposition and concentration of uric acid to some location of the joint, especially feet or finger joint, and you will get severe pain and deformation. Then joint damage, back pain, inflammation of joint, cardiovascular problem, diabetic condition, kidney stone, kidney damage. Oh, the whole of your health is in poor state, and you are suffering internally, and you are not able to understand what are the reasons. Sometimes blood in your urine, that is caused due to high uric acid or hyperuricemia, and so many other factors are there. So here, what my, as a chemist, knowledge I am sharing, that please blindly don't follow the vegetable and fruits having this myth and impression that most of these fruit and vegetables, they are purine free. And once we take a lot dry fruit and all these things, I'm going to give one by one in the form of class or group of fruit and vegetables which are rich in purine. So that one is contributing. There are people in India who are strictly vegetarian. They have never touched the meat or egg or white meat or fish, because these are all items, they are the rich source of purine, but still they are suffering from hyperuricemia, means high uric acid, and lot of damage of their joint and kidney stone and so many other problems they are facing. And they have the impression that what is happening, we are not taking any meat. And that myth I am clearing here, that even those who have never touched any meat product, they are not safe, they are at high risk. If if they are not following proper diet, selected diet. So let me show you some of the images. This is the image of a high uric acid condition where your feet joints are deformed, damaged, and you are suffering from severe inflammation that red color shows, and of course severe pain, and that is called gout, where there is crystallization of uric acid in those areas. So here your finger joint, it may be feet, it may be hand, and there is red color you can see. That indicates that there is chronic inflammation because of the concentration or deposit of the uric acid in that area, and that is causing serious issue of inflammation, and inflammation is the mother of lot of lifestyle disease like cardiovascular problem, diabetes, Alzheimer's, Parkinson's. Oh, this is chronic condition of uric acid hyperuricemia. Means for long time the person never cared for the uric acid, and his both of the hands, they are totally damaged, and it cannot be cured because that damage has reached to the chronic level. So that's why always checking of the uric acid is very important, and maintaining and managing the low purine diet, whether it is meat or vegetable or fruits. This is, you can see in this kidney image inside, the location of lot of stones, that is called kidney stone, and this formation of kidney stone is directly linked to the high percentage of uric acid in your blood, because this uric acid is filtered out by kidney, and once there is concentration of uric acid in your blood and in urine it is coming, definitely they are going to be deposited in your kidney in the form of a stone, and finally if extra care is not taken, so then these stones will damage your kidney. So here there is blood in urine. So it has lot of indication. Indication means it means there is chance that there is formation of a stone, there is some kidney damage, and that is due to uric acid percentage. That is hyperuricemia. You are suffering from that. That's why your kidney is towards damage, and that's why you are getting the traces of RBC, that is red blood cells, in your urine. If you are having always tendency of backache, back pain, that is also one of the reason. It shows that in your blood body there is high percentage of uric acid, and you are suffering from hyperuricemia. So here, as usual, handwritten summary is given. Why I am giving more emphasis on handwritten? Please encourage your children, son and daughter, to go for handwritten material to write by hand rather than more and more electronic reading and writing. It is very important because cut and paste is not going to bring lot of a healthy, I can say, brain exercise and memory. If you are writing, if you are reading the printed material, it is more effective. So here I have given the summary of type of food which we should avoid, what are the type of fruit, vegetable and other animal products which are low or rich in purine, and also how to manage it and what are the health issues. So here number 1, to reduce the chance of uric acid buildup, it is essential to limit foods high in purine. So you have to identify, you have to understand what are the foods which are rich in purine. And one thing many people, they don't understand about the fructose. fructose is the serious killer. And all the fruits, the word fructose means the sugar which is present in fruit is very dangerous because liver is converting into different type of products, and that is triggering the increase of uric acid. So limit sugar as well as fructose also. That's why I told you that limit banana, limit mango, limit all those type of fruits which are very rich in fructose, sugar. Go for citrus fruits. So I am going to discuss all this. And number 2, avoid the foods. What are the foods you are going to avoid? Number 1, organ meats. These are animal product. And more especially organ means kidney, liver, avoid it. Number 2, seafood. Nowadays, lot of seafood is consumed. But in moderation, if you are taking and your uric acid is not towards higher side, okay, you should go because you are getting good protein, omega-3, fatty acid. But at the same time, if uric acid is high, you are suffering from hyperuricemia, then you have to restrict these diets because they are rich in purine. Seafood, number 3, deep water fish, fatty fish. Number 4, legumes. Legumes means pulses, lentils. In Indian language, dal, chane ka dal, arahar ka dal, masoor ka dal. All these, please, they are rich source of purine. Then mushrooms. Mushroom is single cell, which is vegetable protein, is a very rich source of purine. Then number 6, lentils, grain, and different type of seeds. Number 3, purines are broken down in uric acid through a series of chemical reactions. So all those reactions I have given here, that is through drinks and foods. Whatever drink and food we are taking, of course there will be biochemical reaction. They will be broken down. So they are also one of the source. And number 1 is, that is purine intake. Lot of we can say drinks prepared out of mechanical devices in the industries, they are not good. Rather, they are dehydrating you rather than hydrating you. And lot of fruits, they are very rich in purine, and they are put in that is called purine ring intake. Then digestion, purine is broken down into nucleosides. Then metabolism, in metabolism the liver converts purine into uric acid. And then excretion, uric acid is excreted in urine through kidney. Kidney used to filter off uric acid. That's why if it is in concentrated form, it may damage your kidney if you are suffering from hyperuricemia. Number 3, fruits and vegetables rich in purine. So these are all I have identified are the fruits and vegetables. So first is fruits. These fruits are rich in purine. Number 1, avocados. 2, dried fruits like almond, cashew nut, dates, apricots, and prunes. B, vegetables which are rich in purine. They are spinach, palak, then tomatoes, peas, beans. Peas means butter in Indian language, and beans means all different variety, brown and white are beans. They are coming under lentils or pulses. Then number 4, foods low in purines. So these foods are, which are low in purines, first is fruits. All the citrus fruit, lemon, orange, santra, all these, they are low purine fruits. Berries, different type of berries, and then apple and pears, naspati, same, they are all very low in purine. Then B, vegetables which are low in purine, they are food low in purine. That is leafy vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, carrot, cucumber, gulli, here we call it, and then note, stay hydrated. If you have tendency of hyperuricemia, means excess urine, uric acid formation, always take more water so that you are diluting it, and the chance of deposition and crystallization in any joint in your body, in any part, whether the finger, feet or neck, any part, at least that chance is reduced if you are always hydrated. Then number 2, limit sugary drink. Sugar, I call it white poison, and the most dangerous is fructose, and many people don't understand it. So if you have the tendency of high uric acid, please be careful of mango, banana, and so many other very sweet fruits. Then this about the note. Then number 5, health issues associated with high uric acid levels. That is number 1, gout. I have already showed you a lot of images and I have given the explanation. So here it is mentioned: gout, joint pain, inflammation, kidney stone, blood in urine, kidney damage, cardiovascular disease. Cardiovascular disease means if you are always having inflammation, there is roughness in your arteries, veins, and where there is chance of formation of blood clot, thrombose. So that's why you may suffer from a heart disease, that is called cardiovascular disease, metabolic disorder in your digestive system, your gut microbiome or gut bacteria will be disturbed. And then number 5 is, that is management of uric acid. How to manage? First, stay hydrated. I have already told you. You must do exercise and control your obesity or extra weight. So with this I will stop. Thank you very much for watching the lecture.